Okay, so these type of videos are getting viral on TikTok with millions of views. And I built a video generation system that creates exactly the same type of videos using Google new video model, Veo 3.1. And in this video, I'll be walking through the overall breakdown of how I built it using n8n and how I sold it worldwide. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. You've been scrolling all the day watching these TikTok videos, but here's what you might not realize. These creators are generating revenue every single second. Consider this account with just 10 videos on TikTok. It has amassed over 10 million views. This isn't an isolated case. Multiple accounts are achieving similar results, with millions of views on virtually every piece of content they post. Looks fake, right? I encourage you to verify this by yourself. Pause here and search for these usernames directly on the platform. The numbers speak for themselves. I'm Mark, and I'm about to build an AI video generation system live in front of you that turns static images into professional video using Google new video model, Veo 3.1, and you can easily sell this for $1,000 to $2,500 a pop to documentary, filmmakers, social media agencies, and content creators. And stick around till the end. I'll show you exactly how to grab the complete workflow for free, plus how to position this as a productized service you can sell this week. So look, if you've ever tried to animate still images for a documentary or Instagram Reel, you know it's a massive time sink. You're either paying editors $50 to $100 per hour, messing around in After Effects for hours, and here's the thing, content creators, marketers, documentary filmmakers, they have money in their hands and are willing to pay for this stuff. The AI video generator market just hit over $2.5 billion, and nearly half of all marketers are now using AI video generation in their workflows. Because animating archival photos, creating B-roll from product images, or turning static frames into engaging video.
Welcome, recruit. This is a classified operation. Your target, a thriving company.
Got it. I'll do it. I'll sabotage, steal the blueprints, bribe a competitor.
That's high-value work, but it takes forever. Until now. What we're building today is a fully automated n8n workflow that uses Google's Veo 3.1 model through. You upload a start frame, an end frame, drop in a text prompt, and boom, you get production-ready AI-generated video delivered to you automatically. No manual editing, no After Effects, no expensive freelancers. I'm talking about taking something that would normally take 2 to 4 hours per video and squishing it down to about 5 minutes of hands-off automation. Now, before I show you the actual build, we are giving away n8n workflows and classes in our free community at school. If you are new to AI automations, this community will help you a lot. Be the part of our circle and build together. Now let me give you the business context, because that's what really matters here. This workflow is perfect for 3 groups. First, if you're an automation freelancer looking for a high-ticket service to sell, this is gold. Social media agencies, YouTube creators, documentary producers, they all need this. Market research shows that a 1-minute explainer video costs $300 to $1,500+ from freelancers, and they'll happily pay. $1,000 to $2,500 for a system that does it for them automatically. Second, if you're a content creator yourself, especially if you're doing historical documentaries, educational content, or social media, you just saved yourself hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars in editing cost. Third, if you're building SaaS tools or productized services, this is one of those holy crap demos that gets people to pull out their credit card on the spot. You're not just building a cool workflow, you're building a sellable system. Keep that in mind. All right, so what does this thing actually do? Here's the high-level flow. Don't worry, we're going to build this step by step in a second. Step 1. User submits a form with 2 images, a start frame and an end frame, plus a text prompt describing the motion or animation they want. I'm using a JSON prompt to make the output better. Step 2. The workflow extracts those images, uploads them to ImageBB so they're publicly accessible, because the Veo API needs URLs, not local files. Step 3. We clean the prompt. If someone copy-pastes from Midjourney or ChatGPT with a bunch of weird flags and asterisks, we strip all that out using a JavaScript snippet so the AI doesn't choke on. Step 4. We merge everything together. Start frame URL, end frame URL, cleaned prompt, and fire it off to the key.ai Veo API. Step 5. The API processes the request. This takes about 1 to 3 minutes with Veo 3 Fast, so we set up a polling loop. Basically, the workflow checks every 30 seconds. Is it done yet? Is it done yet? Step 6. Once the video's ready, we grab the download URL, pull the file, and boom, you've got a production-ready video file sitting in your workflow, ready to send to the client or upload to YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Pretty cool, huh? Cost savings? If you're paying an editor, you're looking at $300 to $1,500 per video, depending on complexity. This system costs about 40 cents to $2 in API credits per video. Sellability? Here's the thing. Agencies and content creators see this demo and immediately understand the value. I've sold variations of this exact workflow for $1,000 to $2,500. And once you build it, you can deploy it for multiple clients with minimal tweaking. So now that you know how to build this, let me show you how to actually sell it. Option 1, one-time setup fee. Charge $1,000 to $2,000 to build and deploy this for a client. They own it, you move on. Option 2, retainer model. Charge $297 to $497 per month for setup plus ongoing support. If they generate 50 videos a month, you're essentially charging $6 to $10 per video, still way cheaper than hiring freelancers. Option 3, productize it. Turn this into a micro SaaS. Charge $67 to $97 per month for access to the system. Get 20 customers, that's $1,340 to $1,940 per month recurring. The key is to talk ROI, not API. Clients don't care that you're using N8n and Veo 3. They care that they're saving 20 hours a week and $1,500 in freelancer costs. Alright, so if you guys found this valuable and you want to grab the full workflow template for free, I've got it linked in the description below. You can literally just import it into your N8n instance and start using it today. And if you're serious about turning this kind of technical knowledge, definitely check out AI Automation Studio. It's my community where I show you how to get your first paying automation client. Links in the description. And as always, subscribe, drop a comment. If you build this, I want to see what you guys create with it. Catch you in the next one. Peace.